Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to cook meat curry with okra. Things first, we'll be adding the garlic and ginger into the oil. I'm using garlic cubes from Co-Fresh as well as the ginger cubes from Co-Fresh as well. So now, as you can see, I'm adding 3 large onions into the pan, and then I will be adding my salt. Just about this much. Now for the spices, guys, I will be adding 2 small cinnamon sticks, 1 bay leaf cut in half, and some black seeds. Now I'm going to be adding the meat to the onion, guys, and here is 1 kilo of meat, and then give that a good mix. So I'm going to let the meat cook for about 30 minutes, after which I will be adding my spices, and I will be adding a little bit of water to it so it just doesn't burn. Now once the meat is being cooked, guys, try and clean up while you can, because you've got a good half an hour. That's if you're not cooking anything else. But while my meat is cooking, I'm also trying to cook some spinach buzzy and some mixed vegetables. Once my meat has been cooking for 30 minutes, I will now be adding my spices. I'll be adding 1 large spoon of coriander powder, 1 small spoon of turmeric powder, 2 large heaped spoons of mixed curry powder, and a tiny amount of chili powder. There you go, and give that a good mix. I will now be adding the okra in as well, so it cooks well with the meat, and then give that a good mix and leave for another half an hour, and then your meat curry is ready. So this is it, guys. The meat curry is now ready. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time.